Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Happy Friendship Friday. This is hosted by my dear crafty friend Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic. And today we are opening some Happy Meal from Wanda from A Day in My World. I am doing a voiceover because the original recording had a lot of background noise. Emmy's friends were over and I didn't know that tween giggling sounds were too loud. And so I am doing this voiceover. So this is my prize winning from Wandas Giveaway. And let's read the card and see what she said. Be right back. Thank you so much, Wanda. This is a congratulations card. So if you're not familiar with Wanda's channel, she has amazing hauls and project shares. She's done some past collaborations with me and has hosted some as well. She's just been really busy lately. So the first item I'm pulling out here is a beautiful ceramic piece, and it is a jewelry box in the shape of a heart. Look at that gold. And inside she's also shared this mermaid charm, and I love it. If you know Wanda's crafty style, she loves to add bling, and I love that she shared that with me. Thank you so much. Let's see what else is in this bag. We have this little rainbow jewelry tray that you can use for decorative item, and check out this rainbow bead set. I'm definitely gonna have to give this to Emmy. She's gonna want to make some necklaces with her friends next time they come over. A cute panda notebook. I love these little notebooks. I always love to carry one in my bag, and I haven't personally seen the strawberry magnets at my store, so I'm so happy to have that set. She's also shared these adorable magnetic bookmarks. They are so cute and handy to have. You can use it for your planners. And look at this avocado pin. So my older daughter Lil's mascot for their dorm floor was an avocado, so I may be sharing that with her. And she's also shared some of these adorable sticky notes. Let's see what else is in this bag. We have more of these cute paper clips. I love those. And some cute sticky notes in the peach and strawberry. And then let's see. This is something else. I've always seen metal punch holes, and to see it in pink is pretty awesome. So thank you for sharing that. And then I love these pencils. I grew up using these types of pencils and I love them, so thank you. And then we have this strawberry mirror, and I see Emmy eyeing it now, so I think I'm gonna be giving that to her. We have these cute little, it looks like lolly or peppermint type post-its, and a stationery set. Love this little bag, and it comes with 3 items in it. Super cute. And last but not least, we have this adorable pouch. It's a cute avocado pouch, which I am definitely going to be putting in my purse and using for all these other items. And then, oh wait, there is one more. This is a frame, picture frame, and this will be perfect for your Instax printouts. So I'm going to give that to Lil. She's going to want to print her pictures, and I love this avocado backpack. Again, thank you so much for this wonderful price pack, Wanda. Thank you. Make sure to check out her channel. I am going to link it down in the description box below. So make sure to check it out and send her some love and support. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. Bye.